Hi guys, it's Shriya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Core. आज के वीडियो में we're going to talk about product empties. I have some skincare and hair care and body care that I've totally finished, and I will be sharing my reviews with you guys whether these products are worth the money or I can say a final buy to them. So it's like a buy or a bye kind of a product. So let's begin with the video. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. तो सबसे पहले मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि ये जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स आप देख रहे हो इस बिन में, these are the products that I have finished in almost 2 months, and I am very conscious about selecting, picking and choosing the products that I want to finish because I don't want to clutter my space and clutter my bathroom with so many products and just they are sitting and collecting dust. I'm not that kind of a person who will keep purchasing but not use her products and they'll go in waste. No, I'm the kind of person who will plan the purchase and I'll make sure, even if I don't like the product, I'll make sure to use it and finish it. So let's begin with the first product. This one is from Bath and Body Works, and so this one is Sensitive Skin Bubble Bath. Now this was my first experience trying a bubble bath from Bath and Body Works. I didn't even know that they had this product. It was in discount, and in discount it was for 899 rupees. And I did kind of remember, like, I went with a friend and he said that seriously 899 for a bubble bath, and I was like, I'll go for the first experience. So I kind of defended my purchase there, and later when I was using it I was like, okay, this is not worth 899 at all. So I do regret kind of buying this one. It did kind of have some bubbles but not enough, like not a proper bubble bath, like it was just average in a way. And yeah, the quality of it was good because I did not feel that my skin was drying after using this, so that way it was good. But for 899 rupees, even a normal shower gel can do that. Not going to repurchase it. Next one is Mamaearth Baby, and this one is Milky Soft Head to Toe Wash, tear-free formula with oats, milk and calendula. Okay, so this is the one that I use it for my kid, and she seems to love this one, especially because it has a cow made on it. So she got very excited. She's just like 3-year-old, and she saw this print and she started doing moo and all of that after seeing this. Got excited, started using it. I love the smell of this. It has a very nice calming fragrance. I really liked it. Cleanses really well, and overall a good product, a definite repurchase. Next one is a hand wash, and this one is again from Bath and Body Works, and this one is Snowflakes and Cashmere Cleansing Gel Hand Soap. This was superb. Absolutely loved the fragrance of this. Absolutely loved the consistency of this. Cleansed my hands really well and looks so gorgeous. Absolutely love it, and I do want to repurchase it. This is a body wash sample from Plum Goodness, and this is in the Vanilla Vibes variant. This is too sweet of a fragrance for me to have shower with. I was not feeling very comfortable using it. I just finished it in 2 washes and I was done with it. I did have the bigger bottle of it earlier and I felt the same way. It was difficult to finish such a sweet body wash. I love the perfume of this, but in the shower gel, I need something fresher, so not a repurchase. Then I have a sample, and this one is from Flora Soul, and this is rich and nourishing body milk, olive butter and sweet almond oil. Absolutely love this lotion. Love the fragrance. Had a very nutty, mature fragrance to it, and it gave me very soft hands and legs. Absolutely love this one. It's not a very sticky formula, so I love the consistency of this as well. I definitely want to buy a bigger bottle of this. Next body lotion is from The Body Shop, and this one is in the variant Moringa. Now I took almost 1 year to finish this one. The fragrance is nice. It's a nice white floral. I just stopped using this in between because I got some new lotions and I just completely forgot about the existence of this. And later I realized that it is lying in my shelf, and I was like, how did I forget to finish this one, and why is this still here? So immediately took it out and immediately started using it, and then in 1 month I finished it. So this was one thing that escaped my thought, and yeah, I just accumulated this one, and then I felt like before the product expires, I really need to finish it. Nice lotion, a little sticky for my liking, so I'm not going to repurchase it. Then again a sample from Plum Body Loving, and this one is Vanilla Caramello. I had a bigger bottle of this which I completely finished. So this lotion layers really well with vanillic based fragrances, so I like it for that purpose. The fragrance is not very strong and does not linger for a very long time, and the moisturizer is decent, so I may consider repurchasing it. Then one of my favorite night creams which has changed my skincare game is by Forest Essentials, and this one is called as Transformative Saundarya Night Cream with 24K Gold. This has changed my skin game. Like literally, this one had like saffron, moringa oil, olive oil, and some goodness. Absolutely fantastic face cream, and this made my face glow up like nothing else. Absolutely love this one. I've already repurchased it. It's so expensive, but still I've repurchased it. Another sample from Plum Body Loving and another lotion. This one is in the variant Lily Miss Sunshine. A very nice and bright fragrance with a nice SPF lotion. I kind of like it. It's lightweight, not sticky, and overall for summers, this will be a good lotion. I do want to buy a bigger bottle of this. This one is from Plum, and this is again a sample from Plum, and this one is a face wash, rice water and niacinamide. I loved it so much that I have the bigger bottle of it now, so definitely a repurchase. Love the consistency of this one, and it works so magically on my skin. Absolutely love this face wash. Next face wash is from Mama Earth, and I've cut it and used it, and this one is their Upton face wash. Now, not a huge fan of this. The grittiness in this was very loud, like the physical exfoliators were very big in size, and it kind of hurt my skin, so I did not like the exfoliation beads that were there into this. However, it cleansed my face really well, but just because of that exfoliation beads, the experience was not very good, so I don't want to repurchase this one. Two more samples from Flora Soul, and one is Calming Body Butter in Mogra and Cocoa, and I already have like the bigger bottle of that. In fact, when I purchased that body butter, all these samples came free with it, so I already have a bigger bottle of this one. And then night cream with Kakadu Plum and Shea Butter. This did not suit my skin, and I did get some breakout after using this one, so I do not want to purchase this. Then I have some hair care products. This one is from Squatcoff, and this one is Oasis Plus Curl Honey. So this is the kind of a curl cream that I used after I would wash and cleanse my hair, and this would like help me retain my curl. Love this product, but it is so difficult to find it on Nykaa. Most of the time it is sold out, and most of the time it's like, it comes and then immediately in 1 hour it is sold out, so very difficult to get your hands on it. So if I manage to get it, I'll definitely get it. Otherwise I'm not going to otherwise I'm not really going to spend too much time looking for it. Then my favorite curl defining cream. This is also broken and used completely. This one is from Maintain. Maintain Curly Girl products are the ones that I'm using currently. I love them. I am obsessed with them, and I have repurchased them 4 times. That says a lot. I'm showing a lot of consistency here. I have their gel, I have their curl cream, I have their even conditioner, and I do have the shampoo also. All the products are amazing. I definitely want to repurchase it. And while I'm talking about it, we'll just cover about the shampoo. This is something that I may not repurchase because this is their moisturizing shampoo, Gentle Cleanse Non-Drying Daily Use Formula. I was okay with it. Like, I did not find it very cleansing, and it was just about average. It was working like any other shampoo for me. And in fact, I have somebody who has flaky scalp, so this was not working out very well for me. So instead of this, I will kind of like continue with the other shampoos that I have. And in fact, for my flakiness, I use this one. This is Salicia Katie. I've been using this from much longer time now. This is like a 3rd or 4th bottle which I have repurchased. Using this one keeps my flakiness at bay, and it just tames all the dandruff, and my scalp is super clean. Now this is one of my favorite conditioners. This one is from L'Oreal. This is Hyaluron Pure 72 hours rehydrating conditioner. Absolutely love this. I love the shampoo, I love the conditioner. I have multiple backups of this one, and there is one that I'm using currently which is there in my bathroom. Love the consistency of this product. Makes my scalp, the shampoo makes my scalp squeaky clean. The conditioner is so moisturizing. It helps in detangling, and my curls are really quenched and moisturized with this. Love this combination, and this shampoo conditioner just works really well for my hair. Next is a face wash from Fiamma, and this one is Happy Naturals face wash with lavender and tangerine. I absolutely enjoyed and loved using this one. A very calming face wash, and at the end of the day, this is something that I want to use and feel very relaxed before I go to sleep. Definite repurchase for me and made my skin squeaky clean. Then a face pack from Fab India. This one is aloe vera cucumber face mask. I think this is my third or fourth repurchase. I love this variant and I have used it through. And this is a little stinky on the skin, so be mindful when you're purchasing this one. I'm kind of bored of this one and I do want to try some other face masks, so I may not consider repurchasing this one. Then my favorite deodorant dry serum by Dove, and look at the situation and condition of this tube. वो सीधी ही नहीं हो रही है बेचारी. Nope. This is a perfect deodorant dry serum that I could have asked for. This deodorant keeps me odor free for almost 12 hours. It is so effective and it also helps in taking care of the pigmentation on the underarms. Absolutely love this one. I've ditched all of my roll-ons for this particular one and definite repurchase for me. Next one is from Moxie and this one is Flexi Styling Serum Gel. Now this one was not going well with my Maintain ki products when I was using the curl cream by Maintain and I was using this as a styler gel. It was curdling like curd on my hair, like it was just separating on my hair and clumps were forming. I did not like that and I tried making this work by using it with some other formulas and combination. I was able to get through this, but I did not really like and enjoy the experience using this one. I love Maintain products as compared to Moxie, so I am going to stick to repurchasing that and I am going to not repurchase this one. Next is a curl cream from Livon. Look at the situation and condition on this one. I've squeezed the life out of this one and just finished it yesterday actually. This is Intense Hydration and Nourishment Shea Butter and Avocado. I like this curl cream. I used it more like a leave-in conditioner than a curl cream. Very strong jasmine fragrance. If you can tolerate white florals, only then you'll like the fragrance on this one. Otherwise, it does give a headache. It's that strong. But I did enjoy it using it like a leave-in conditioner, so I do want to repurchase it. Then a sunscreen from M Caffeine, and this one is Daily Glow Green Tea Sunscreen with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, SPF 50 PA++++. I love the gel cream consistency that this one had and it worked really well on my skin texture and tone. So I loved using this one and I definitely want to repurchase it. This is the second last product from Bisac Wellness and this is the night cream in the variant Flower Power. This is enriched with kokum butter and rose extracts. It was very heavy on the fragrance, I may tell you that, and it was a nice moisturizing night cream. I did enjoy this using a lot and the formula is nice and buttery, but it is not something that I'm craving for it every night, so I will not repurchase this one. The last product is from L'Oreal and this one is the Heat Hair Mask. This is Smooth Deep Nourish Steam Mask with precious transformative essential oils. Love this product. I have repurchased this so many times and it's definitely going to be a repurchase. Alright, that brings us to the end of the video. That was a complete compilation of product empties that I've finished over 2 months. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, hit the like button. Do let me know if this video was helpful or not in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye!